Welcome to a quick guide on how to fix your Facebook ads, 5 common issues and solutions. Recognizing and resolving these issues is crucial. Stay tuned as we dive into each of these problems and their fixes. First up, poor ad performance, a common issue that can be traced back to targeting. Refine targeting, test formats, optimize schedules. Remember, understanding your audience is crucial to boosting ad performance. Next, high ad spend. This is often due to a lack of budget management. Mitigate this by setting realistic budgets, using bid caps, and regularly overseeing spend. It's all about smart budgeting and regular monitoring. Thirdly, low engagement. This can be the result of unappealing ad content. Counter this by crafting captivating content, introducing call to actions, and experimenting with different ad creatives. Always remember, content is king. Now, if you're wondering why are my Facebook ads not delivering, you're not alone. Check ad approval, account status, and target audience size. Keep an eye on these factors to ensure your ads are delivered smoothly. Lastly, low conversion rates. This usually stems from a disconnect between your ad and landing page. Align these, optimize for conversions, and test ad placements. Ensure consistency across all touch points for higher conversions. So there you have it. 5 common Facebook ad issues and their solutions. Now you're ready to fix your Facebook ads and optimize for success. Happy advertising!